Hi guys, this is the third video that I have filmed and not posted. What is up, you guys? Yes, today is a good day. I think it's a lot of noise. I don't know if it's picking it up. You wanna know why it's a good day? Because today we are getting a new dog and I am so excited. It's gonna be like a little poodle dog. It's a boy and it's all black. But you're gonna see what it looks like. We're gonna go get it right now. We always had like big dogs. Like I've had a pit bull before, which he's in my older videos. I really miss him. And right now we have a German Shepherd mixed with a pit. So this is our first time getting like a real small dog. And yeah, I hate that it's raining outside. Like it just looks really bad outside. I guess I'll come back to you whenever I start recording again. Peace out. It's a different little dog. Oh, here he comes. Oh. No. Vaccination needs okay. Don't let him leave the seat, Joe. Yeah, I'm watching him. Out the window. Hey. We're still in the car. Say hi. This for a video. You're on YouTube. I don't know how to carry a small dog. You gotta be really gentle with him. We're thinking about naming him Gizmo. I don't know. He's screeching. Zoom into the Maltese.
It's a nice boy.
You are cute. Ugly, is he?
You know, you are cute.
I know how to him today.
Dang, it's crazy.
That's your Howie. Yeah.
He is cute.
He's your real cuddle buddy.
Oh,
Yeah, look at Papa.
hey.
Papa. Hey, Papa, what should my name be?
You don't know the name? What's his name?
We were thinking Gizmo. You ready to say fast? Yeah.
So he's super friendly.
I'm gonna whoop your ass, don't you?
He is not phased.
Look at it, look like a little rat.
He said he might get about 15 pounds, so like the size of
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's not bad.
Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, he
Gizmo. Okay.
Gizmo. Giz.
Yes, Gizzy. Well, what do you think? You like your new home and your new family?
This is a good choice, man.
Yeah, very good choice.
Cute baby. It's a boy.
It's a boy out here. He ain't finna hurry on. My foot right here, right here.
Hello.
That's your little brother, man.
I'm gonna miss you while I'm at work. I'm gonna be calling you often.
Oh,
I'm like, hold on, patient. I gotta check on Gizmo.
Do you like him? Okay, so now we are going to Petco to get like a harness or something.
I hope they open.
I hope they open too.
I think they open. Look, you see them? They walking.
This is a good harness. We got him food and little treats and stuff, training treats, and we ended up buying him this sweater that we're gonna put on him right now. It is so to the nice. And we got the leash and the harness. So, yep, now we about to go get us some food. It's time for sweater time. He doesn't like the sweater.
Listen, we paid $15 for this sweater.
Hey, you look good. You like, take this off of me. Hey, oh, you can take it off now. When it get cold, you're gonna wear it.
You're gonna wear that.
Jahari has a good connection with dogs.
It's okay, Gizmo. Okay, it's okay. I'm driving on you. got their food.
It's like you felt the camera on him. Okay, so I'm back home now. Gizmo's downstairs playing with his toys, and I'll give you all more updates on Gizmo as life continues. So if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for anytime I make a new video. And that is it, and I will see you guys when I see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.